In this lesson, we'll learn how to work with time tags in Max. Time tags are designed to annotate and bookmark frames. They're a great way for a director to leave a note in your scene of where certain parts in your animation need to be fixed. For example, if I were to hit play in this scene, we could see that the spinning of the ship probably happens a little bit too fast. Instead, we'd want that to delay a few more frames. So this would be a great place to use time tags at. If I were to select the ship, we'd want to be mindful of the pose we'd like to, let's say, delay in time. So that spin is actually finishing on frame 20. Let's say we wanted to move it to frame 50, or that was the director's choice. So he could always go to frame 20, and on that, we can now go to our time tag menu. It's found to the left of our big key button on the status bar. If we were to hold down the left mouse button, we can now go to Add Tag, the first choice. So what we get is a dialog where we can name our time tag. We can even set it relative to other time tags that have already been created. And by doing this, we basically link our time tag to others, so that as we move one time tag, the other will follow. And lock time basically prohibits that type of movement. So lock time is basically going to keep your tag exactly on the frame you apply it to. So let's go ahead and name this time tag. Let's say we call it delay rotation, followed by the frame we'd like to delay it to, frame 50. When we press OK, we can see that now our time tag menu has been updated to show our current time tag. So watch this. Let's say if we just opened up our scene. What we'd first do is go to our time tags and we'd say, oh, the director has left us a note. And it's getting cut off in the video, but we could still navigate to it. It should be the last choice. Okay. What we'd first see is the frame that the time tag has been added on, frame 20, followed by the note. So if I were to select that, okay, even if I did that from another frame, let's say frame 50, I went to the time tag and went to that annotation, you'll see that the frame is going to skip right to where that note has been applied. Okay, so reading the note further, it says, alright, I need to delay that rotation to frame 50 instead. So we can select our ship, select this key and move it to frame 50, and now as we play the animation, we'll notice a little bit better result. So that's just a way we can use time tags, again, as an annotation to help us to improve our animations. What we also have, if we were to go back to that same menu, is Edit Tags. So this is where we can either rename our tags, set them relative, change the time that they lie on even, or even delete our tags. So I'll go ahead and cancel that. And that completes this lesson.